quite extensive, you know. Something scraped off from my paint here. You touch this and see?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that? I think this one can buy some that thing can cover it. What is that? Is that paint?
Yeah, it's paint.
Any depression?
Yes, got.
Huh?
Got.
Got Oh, this one. It sounded like I just touched the fella, you know. Then he come out and down and check his thing. Nothing there lah. So I went and checked my, oh, mine quite a lot and he got nothing, you know.
Yeah, lah, but
Then after that I went to wash the car.
paint came out already.
Is it the paint? The
Yeah,
strip
yeah.
paint?
Hey.